how to delete all your Facebook photos at once. So if you are trying to delete all of your Facebook photos that you have uploaded at once, then today in this video I will be showing you how can you do that. But before that, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So once you're in the home page of Facebook, you'll be able to see the various interface or newsfeeds or posts. So in the first step, you have to tap on the three-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and after that you have to go first see your profile or your profile, and you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line at the right hand side, and here are the various your profile settings. Among them, you have to simply go for activity log, under which there are various activities like your posts, activity you are tagging, and many more. Simply go for manage your post option, and here will be all of your posts or your photos that you have uploaded. You can simply tap on all and you can go for trash, and after few days or within 30 days it will be removed. Or you can also go back to the trash section and you can delete them permanently from over there. The post includes all of your photos that you have uploaded. So this is how you can do, but there is also another option. For that you have to go back your home page and you have to tap on your profile at the left upper corner, and you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the photos option over here. Simply tap on photos and you have to switch to album, and all of your photos that you have uploaded will be available over here. You can tap on the photo and you can select the photo that you want to delete. Simply tap on the three-dotted vertical line at the right corner and you can go for delete photo. And by doing that also you can delete a specific photo that you want to delete on your Facebook account. So this is how you delete all of your Facebook photos at once. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.